Hey, welcome back to the channel everyone. Before we start, I would like to ask you to drop a comment in this video and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Okay, today I am going to show you how to turn any image into a vector image using Illustrator. Alright, let's get started. Okay, I have a sample image here. Now go to Window and then click the Image Trace window. This is where we will be able to do live trace using the live trace tool. Now you will find some preset over here. Now choose whatever you feel like or do what I am doing now. After doing all this step, now go to object and then click expand. Now select the tick and hit OK. Now you can customize it whatever you want. Oh yes, you have to ungroup it before customize anything. Now you can do it whatever you want. So that's all for this video. Hope you guys like it. If there is anything you want me to cover, then just do let me know. Just leave a comment below. Do like the video and subscribe it. Till then, goodbye.